Hello, welcome to Nutri-instinct. I'm Ketki, a health coach and a healthy cooking enthusiast. In this video, I'm going to make spicy veggie oats. To start with, I'm going to roast the gluten-free oats to make them little pink. It took around 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat to roast them pink. Once the oats are roasted, keep them aside to cool down and take some oil in one pan. Immediately after adding oil, add some cumin seeds and onions. Saute the onions for about a minute or so. When the onions are a little translucent, add edamame. After a little bit of sauteing, add broccoli. Edamame and broccoli both are a very good source of protein and fiber, and at the same time they are not very high in calories. Now add some sliced carrots. If you want, you may use other vegetables of your choice to replace these. After sauteing off a little bit, we will add some salt and ginger garlic paste. Salt helps cooking vegetable faster, so before we leave the vegetables to cook, we added some salt. Mix all of these very well on medium heat and add some hot water in the mixer. And now let's spice up these vegetables. I have tried to keep it less spicy, but if you want, you can adjust the spices as per your taste. Some people do not like oats because of its stickiness. That's why I experimented with oats to cook them separate grain. This is a very crucial step in this recipe to avoid the sticky consistency of oats. Make a layer of roasted oats on top of the vegetables and cover the lid to cook on low flame. Let it cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. After that, mix everything very well. Even though the oats look dry at this point, the moisture in the vegetables will make the oats soggy eventually. So do not add more water. My intention for making this recipe was to come up with a way to cook oats to avoid the traditional sticky texture of it and to increase the protein and fiber content in this recipe. Now add some lemon juice and sugar and mix well. This dish can be a very good breakfast because protein and fiber rich foods are satiating and sustainable for longer duration compared to the traditional sugary cereals. Garnish it with cilantro and serve hot. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Nutri-instinct. Thank you for watching.